smells, oh my goodness, smells so good. I wish. Go get your hands on this. Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a Bath and Body Works haul. I'm just going to be showing you my recommended scents, my favorite scents. To the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family, and to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. Once again, I do all things fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you gravitate towards any of the above mentioned, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm sure you'll enjoy the journey. Alright, so with enough rambling on this video, I'd like us to get right into the video. I constantly shop on Bath and Body Works. Some of my favorite essentials are the bath gel, the body scrub is like my number one, the bath gel, the hand cream, the body mist, and the scented candles. And also I got some wall perfume, the wall scents, and of course the wall scent holder. What's that called? Yeah, I have that as well. Those are the things that I gravitate towards. Yesterday and today they had a sale for the wall fragrance for $3.25 for like over 60 different scents. I got a couple of body scrub. I'm picking them from down here. Okay, so the body scrubs that I have, my favorite scents of them all are Perfect Phony. Okay, we have Gingham. Okay, Gingham. We have Warm Vanilla Sugar, and we have In the Stars. Okay, the kind of scents I like are scents that smell like actual perfume. Those are the scents I gravitate towards. Any other thing, no, I really would not do it. So those are the scents you find me getting, you know, all the time. So the In the Stars, like I said, they all smell like actual perfume. In the Stars is really, really good. It smells so good. And Perfect Peony or Phony smells the same way. I love the branding of this one, especially with the pink and the blue. So yeah, the truth is that a lot of all those newer collections that they have hardly ever going out in the sale. The best you most likely will get might be 3 for 2 or 3 for 3. Yesterday when I went to the store to get my bath gel, this is a new bath gel they just got. They are doing 3 for 3, so if you go there, I'm sure you find something really nice. So like I said, I would recommend all of this. I'll go over them again. The Perfect Phony, this one says the phony flower is like no other, naturally beautiful, carefree and effortlessly feminine. Perfect Phony is a love letter to every woman who wears it. Yeah, it's everything it says, this is what it gives. So I'm not going to go too much about how it smells. I already told you they smell like actual perfume. If you like actual perfume, then this will go. It has a very feminine, perfumey kind of smell. Okay, so yeah, I'll have all of them in the description box. So if you want to get any of them, click on the link. It will take you right straight to the Bath and Body Works. The next ones I have are the shower gel. This one is like, I'm sure, like the very newest collection they have. It says You Are the One. That's this one. I love the packaging. I love the color. I know I showed this one in my Instagram. It says You Are the One by Bath and Body Works. It has aloe and vitamin E shower gel. This smells, oh my goodness, smells so good. I wish I could tell you how it, like, you know, tell you how it smells. I would highly recommend this. It comes in all the range: the body mist, the shower gel, the body scrub, the perfume. It has like literally everything. This one was maybe $16. I don't remember now, but we're doing 3 for 3 like I said. And the next one I'll tell you about is Into the Night. This one smells amazing. This is, oh shit, this is my all-time favorite. Like, it smells so good. The only issue with this one is that because of how good it is, sometimes it runs out of stock. I have still not been able to get my hands on the candle. No, I think I finally got it just one time, Each time I go there, they tell me they're out of the candle, they're out of the wall fragrance, they're always out of this one. This is what this looks like. Into the Night. It has a body mist. I have this one, but it's not here right now. This has shea and vitamin E. This is also a shower gel. Yeah, so the next thing we'll move on to is the body mist. I have just one of the body mist because I don't run out of it that much. This one will last me till next year. It's also in the collection I showed you for the body scrub. Is in the stars. Okay, in the stars, like I said. It smells it smells so good. It smells like an actual perfume. This one smells like an actual perfume. Wow. It's more, like I told you, they're all feminine fragrance smell. So if you like feminine perfumes, colognes or whatever, you're going to like this ones I just mentioned. We're going to move onto the wall fragrance. First off on the list would be 1,000 Wishes. This is what the pack looks like. This comes in 2-in-1 for $6.50. It's a home fragrance refill. If you do not know 1,000 Wishes and you're a Bath and Body Works favorite, I don't know what you're doing. I'm sure everybody knows 1,000 Wishes. This is another recommended. Like I said, everything I'm showing you today actually smells like an actual feminine perfume. Yes, so yeah, this smells really good. And let me just point this out. If you're struggling to open this, I had issues the very first time I started using this. If you're struggling opening this particular home refill, you have to twist it anti-clockwise. That's the way you can get it to open up and get it to fit on the wall sockets. So that's just a tip I just have for you. We have 1,000 Wishes. And oh, this is one for my car. I think this one, I showed this one in my last haul. I recommend this a lot. Yes, it's a little bit pricey, $9 per one, I think, or yeah, but it will last you so much. Have the Japanese cherry blossom. This also was $6.50. It was 2-in-1, $6.50. This smells amazing, right? And we have I got a lot of fall wall refill. This one says welcome home. You can see this says welcome home. Yeah, it just smells like fall. It smells like autumn wherever you are. That's how it smells basically. So at first glance or at your first smell, you might not actually appreciate it so well, but just leave it to settle, you know, a day or two, and then you start to appreciate it. Like when you go into your room or you go into your space where you have this fall wallflowers, it smells so good. Like you just feel relaxed. Very relaxing. Very relaxing. Okay, yeah. And one thing I need to let you know, this particular one, okay, the Bath and Body Works refill does not work with the regular plug that you have for your other, you know, whatever. It does not work. You have to have this and a Bath and Body Works plug. You cannot mix and match. It will not work. That's the only downside to it, and the plugs are not exactly cheap. Okay, I have 3 plugs that I got. One of them you can actually light it up, so when you put it and it's dark, it lights up. The other is a wallflower. It has like a flowery kind of, you know, feel. And the third one is just like a very basic one, but pretty decent. Okay, like I told you, I go crazy with these things. So this one I told you, remember I told you about the gingham. The gingham is something that I do not want to ever run out of. So I have 4 of it in the wall refill. I never want to run out of it. That's how good this one is. It was $3.25 each. And one of it here, this one here, is called Sweater Weather. I just like the name. And when I watched a YouTube video, there's a YouTuber that actually recommended this one. And I haven't used it yet, so I cannot tell you what it smells like, but it has that fall autumn kind of smell as well. So yes, I would recommend that. And the next ones I would recommend here are still 1,000 Wishes. I told you earlier, we have the Cactus Blossom. The Cactus Blossom, that's this one here, this one at the very end. And this one says white balsam and vanilla. They smell nice. You can never go wrong with a Bath and Body Works wall fragrance. And the next ones I have here, of course, I showed you earlier the Japanese cherry blossom. Again, I'd never want to run out of this. That is how good it is. So I have about 5 already, 5 refills. And there's this one, mahogany teak wood. This mahogany teak wood, it has a woody smell, and it's going to be suitable for guys. If you like, you know, the woody kind of smell, you would like this one very, very well. It's actually, I think it's more like a masculine kind of smell. You would like it. I do a lot of masculine cologne, so that's why I'm comfortable using masculine home fragrances. Yeah, I'm going to move on to the scented candles. The 3-wick candles. I buy the 3-wick candles more because they don't burn as fast as a single wick candle. So hold on, let me show you what they look like. Remember I talked about the Perfect Phony? Again, this is a candle. I never ever want to run out of the Perfect Phony. I never ever want to. It smells so good. Like when you burn it, your house literally just transforms. That's why I like candles. And when you like candles, it gives the atmosphere a different vibe. I just love how it feels. So yeah, this is what it looks like inside. You see, it's a Perfect Phony. Go get your hands on this. And another one that I have, this one is almost out. You can see how much I've burnt this. This one is a white Gardenier. That's just a white Gardenier. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, so a lot of the packaging are really nice, that once you're done burning your candle, you can actually recycle. The next candle that I have is the Rose Water Ivy. I have this as a calf fragrance. So when I love a smell, I'd rather buy in all the range and use it all over. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. See, I've burnt it like halfway. I don't know if you can see. I've burnt it halfway, and the packaging is so beautiful. When I got this one, for a minute I didn't want to burn it because the packaging was just too beautiful for me to burn. See, can you see this? Yeah, it was just so beautiful for me to burn. But yeah, I'm sure once I'm done with the candle itself, I don't think I would recycle it. I don't think I'll throw this away. I'd rather want to use it for something else. But I just love, it's really nice. Let me put it here for you to see. See, you see how it fits? You see how it fits? So you can actually use this one as a decorative. You see how nice it is? Yeah, so that's why sometimes some of these packagings I would not want to throw them away. About it for my Bath and Body Works haul. Yeah, if you like any of the scents, I'll recommend all of them 100%, all of them, and I'll leave them in the description box below, so you can click on it and go directly to their website. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just in love with Bath and Body Works. I mean, if they can sponsor this video, that would be really, really good. I'm speaking it into existence. That's how much money I spend on Bath and Body Works. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I have one review on my channel earlier, so if you want to see more scents, I'd like you to click on, I'll leave that in the card up in the cards and in the description box, so you can click on it and see more scents I recommend. So yeah, until next week that I come your way, I'd like for you to guys remember to keep safe. It's very important, and make it a great week. Bye guys.